Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today we have Jerkoxtail, cooking it in our Dutch pot. It's a slow process, so let's get going. So there you see I have about 2 pounds of oxtail, a tablespoon of brown sugar and some oil, and I pour my oil in and then my brown sugar, I let it caramelize like you see there, and then I put my oxtails in. You want to use medium to high flame to get your sugar to caramelize, and then you put all your oxtails in. And this is going to be a slow process. If you want to cook it faster, you can put it in an Instapot or a pressure cooker. So this process takes about 2 hours, but you get all the flavors and juices from the caramelization and then browning on each side and spinning it around like you see I'm doing there. So let's get into what the Dutch pot is. The Dutch pot is a sturdy cooking pot. It has been used for centuries to slow cook stews, soups, breads, sauces, meat like you see I'm doing here. It comes in a variety of material. You have cast iron, enamel, aluminum, and ceramic varieties. I'm using the aluminum type. So there you see I'm just browning my oxtails. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe during this time. And once I get all my sides browned, then I start to add some warm water, or tap water is fine as well. And we're gonna slow cook that until the meat is tenderized. So you want to check it every 10 minutes or so to make sure it's not burning, and you continue to add water throughout the process until it's cooked. And there you see I let it condense way down, so all my meat is brown and nice, and that's the way I like it. If you want the colors to be lighter, then you do not brown it as much, or you use less sugar. And so there you see I'm testing it, and it's not quite done yet. That was about an hour and a half in, and then I gave it about half an hour more, and I'm checking it again, and you can see my fork went all the way in, so we know that's done after about 2.5 hours with this type of meat. And then now I'm going to be seasoning it up with the seasonings I used before. And so there is a jerk seasoning that I like, and I use my Creole seasoning, and I use fish and meat sauce, onion powder, garlic powder. You just use what you like, and you just use the amount that the spirit tells you. I have some ground cumin there as well, and then I use some Mrs. Dash. That one doesn't have any salt, so you can use as much as your heart desire. And then I have some Maggi there as well, but just choose what seasoning you would like, and that it should be fine. And once you get all those seasoning in, then you just want to make sure that goes into the sauce as well, and you want to lower your flame to about medium at this time, since you're going to be adding all your herbs and stuff as well. So there I put about a can of broad beans or butter beans, whichever one you like, and then I'm going to be adding some pimento, ginger, onion, green onion, bell pepper, garlic, about 2 cloves, and fresh thyme. If you only have dried thyme, that should work as well. You can put some bay leaf in this. Just spice it up to your own liking, because everybody has different taste buds. And once I got all of that in, then I add some water now to cook all my herbs and vegetable, and the beans just was already cooked, so it doesn't need to cook that much. And then I added my secret ingredient, which is my ketchup, just to give it a little bit more flavor, and you just let that condense down to gravy portion. You don't want it to be too thick, and you don't want it to be too thin. And there you see I have the finished product after it has simmered. And then I served this with some mashed potato and some vegetable. We thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. See you next time.